Content text editor. This is the tool that you use when you make an assignment, a quiz, a page, a discussion, or an announcement in Canvas. When you're in the editing mode of one of those sections, the Rich Content Editor is right here at the top. And you'll notice that you can bold, italicize, underline. You can choose the text color. You can choose the background color. You can clear the formatting of the text. You can do a left alignment, center, right. This is decrease indent, increase indent, superscript and subscript, your bulleted list, your numbered list. You can also insert a table. You can insert media. You can link to a URL or website. You can break that link or remove it. You can insert a picture. You can insert a math equation. Here's a link to your Google Apps. Here's a link to Khan Academy. This is where you can add external tools. This is where you can actually record and upload media. This is your left to right justification, right to left justification, your font size, and your formatting on paragraphs. Okay, so that's everything that's within the Rich Content Editor. So what you can do is down in the box below, this is where you add everything. So I can, here you can type your instructions for your course for your students to see. So it's that simple. You can highlight sections and bold it. You can italicize. You can do whatever you want in your course with the Rich Content Editor. You can also, I want to make sure that you understand, when you are using text, try not to use the font size here. It is better to use over here the paragraph or headers, because this is better for the screen reader for accessibility for those that might be blind. So always try to use this section versus this, but you can use it. The screen reader will use it, read that, but it's better to use this format here. Okay, you can also use in here, besides doing all of these things I'm just going to show you, you can add a link to your course. So you can type like go to this web site to learn about Jordan School District, and fix your typos obviously when you're doing this. And then what you would do is you would highlight Jordan School District, come up here to insert a link. It opens up, and all you have to do is type in the address to the URL that you want them to go to, jordandistrict.org, insert link, and voila, it automatically creates the link so that you can see. And here you can see it changes color. When you hover over it, it puts the link line underneath it. And so you can do that. Try not to ever type in the words click here, or for more information click here, because that is not good for accessibility when you are using a screen reader for those that might need to see that information. So always make sure that you type out the name of the website or the place that you're going, or the file that you're linking to, so that the screen reader can read that to the person that needs that. You can also add a picture. And when you click over here on the embed picture, you can put a URL for the picture. You can go to your Canvas, and you can go to your My Files and just find a picture that you've already uploaded, or you can just upload the picture right here and then go to wherever you have it saved on your computer and click on it, and it will upload it. You can also come over here to Flickr, and you can search for anything, a picture that you want. And these pictures are safe for you to use because they've already come from the Creative Commons public domain, so that you are able to use them within your course. And so if I just search, I can see right there that there's a puppy that I want, and down here you'll see in the alternative text that it already puts puppy, so that you can see, and if you need to edit that and change it and update it to be more accurate of what's in it, you could easily come here and say 2 puppies, just so that they get that information, and then you hit upload, and voila, there you go. You have those 2 puppies on your page uh, in the picture, okay? The other thing that you can do in the rich content editor is you can easily upload a file from your Google Drive for an assignment, like if you've done a worksheet or something that you want the students to write on. You can go through the process and find that file and attach that file and embed it right into your announcement or your assignment. Another thing that you can do is you can record or upload media right into your file. And when you click on this, you can see here that you can select your mic, start the recording, or you can select your webcam. And you'll see that here it's already going. You can also click this button and just upload media that you've already done. If you want to record, you just hit record. I'm not going to do that because I'm already in a session recording with you. And once you do that, it will then embed the video right here on your Canvas page. One of the last things I want to show you here that you can use with the Rich Content Editor is right over here. You can actually put links into your page. So you could come here and say, well, I actually want to link this assignment that I have. And when you click on it, you just click test, and voila, it automatically puts a link to that test on this page or this announcement that you've already created, so that the students can click right there and get to that and not have to navigate anywhere else. You can also notice that if you come over here to files, here you'll see all the files that I have uploaded into this course that I could easily bring, or I could click right here and upload a new file, and that would embed it right in the page. And then you also have a tab here for images that you can go in and click on any images that might have already been uploaded into this file or in this program and embed it, or you can upload it by clicking right here and upload a new image. And so that is the Rich Content Editor, and that shows you how you can put information into your course that you can then use to present to your students and get that information out to your students.